Why digital file organization matters.
A cluttered computer can lead to lost documents, wasted time, and unnecessary stress. Organizing your digital files boosts your productivity by making everything easier to find. Whether you're working, studying, or managing personal projects, a clear file structure simplifies your daily routine and keeps your digital life running smoothly.
Start with a simple folder structure.
Begin with broad, logical categories that match your needs. For example, create main folders like work, personal, and finances. Inside each, add subfolders for specific topics or ongoing projects. This hierarchy keeps related files together and makes navigation fast and intuitive.
Name files and folders consistently.
That's consistent naming saves you from confusion down the road. Use clear, descriptive names and include dates or keywords where helpful. For example, 2024 tax return PDF is much easier to search than a generic Document 1 PDF. Stick to your naming convention. This small habit pays off in the long run.
Make use of search and tags.
Harness built-in search features and tags for extra speed. Most systems let you tag files with keywords or search based on names and file types. Add tags for important projects, deadlines, or document types, and you'll retrieve what you need in seconds, even as your files grow.
Keep up with regular maintenance.
Set a reminder to tidy up your files regularly. Monthly works well for most people. Archive what you don't need, delete duplicates, and reorganize as your needs change. This ongoing care ensures your file system stays clean, efficient, and always ready to support your productivity.